Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to tell you one big secret, that is how to get free Robux. And did you notice something? See, in previous video you have seen a dress which was not too good, not so good. But now this, just take a look. Adidas. It's looking beautiful, dashing, cool, outstanding, magnificent. And I spent 10 Robux in this, and guys, I got this 10 Robux full free. I got this, yes, I got this 10 Robux full free, and I'm going to tell you this. And but before that, I will tell you about my story. From 2 years, I am finding how to get free Robux from this side to that side. Free Robux, where is the free Robux? How to get it free Robux? But it's all fake. All are fake. But today I am going to tell you how to get free Robux, and it is not fake. So let's begin. So first, nothing to do. You have to go to Google and search and type rblx.land. Just type this, then click to this site, then just link account. As I have already linked, so I will log in to this. You have to type your username, Roblox username. So my username is mastermind boys, so I will type it master mind. Done. And this page will open up. You have to now you have to do first your work is to click this bonus, and you have to do this all things as I did, so it becomes now faded. You have to do this all, follow to this, subscribe, and you have to do all this. And after that you have to go to fast. And just wait a minute guys, wait a minute. Yes, wait a minute. Yeah, you have to click fast, and you have to complete these things. This one, if you complete these things, you will get 6.4. if you complete this, triple and 2, wait, the Robux you will get, it will be shown here, and you will click offers, and it will again bring you here in this page, and then go to fast. And then if you want to do this one, no, sorry, wait, these are the fast, all fast. Yes, my offers that I was looking for. These are the things. Okay, these are the things you have to, I have done. So it's, I get this Robux, this much of Robux from it, and I have did many other things also. So you also have to do like this, like click and then continue. You will get, okay, after completing the this challenge, after completing this all things, you will got your earnings here. Just click withdraw, and you will get your Robux here. It will be shown here after, but there is one limit in a day. Wait a minute, let me show. Wait guys, yes, offer has to be worth at least 1 Robux in this much of time. Okay, you have to do it. Okay, at least you have to make it 1 Robux, or else it will will get cancelled out after this much of time. Okay, so after doing all this you will get your Robux, and after getting that, just you will click this withdraw. Now I don't have it, so and that one you have to make at least 10 Robux to withdraw. Okay, after, and I'm saying the whole thing, you will understand. When you will get 10 Robux, just click withdraw. There will be two options, the withdraw and configure. You will not click withdraw, you will click configure. Then there will be a site, then a site will open, and then you have to make a game. Actually it's already made. Okay, it's default, so nothing to worry. Don't have to make any game. It will be written there, masterminds place, as my game is written masterminds name. And we have to click configure. Then you have to make that game in public and click save button. You have to make it save button. Okay, and you have to click save button and make that game in public. And there is one problem, that is it is only eligible in laptop or PC. I am doing in phone, so this survey completion you can do in phone, but at the time of withdrawing you have to do it in PC or laptop, because if you do in phone you will not get the Robux. It will show that there is some problem, so you cannot. There will show that do it, try again in few minutes. Okay? So nothing to worry. Do it in laptop or PC. We will click the save button. First we will make the game in public and then click save button. After that all done. Now please listen, guys. You will not get that immediately. It will take some time. It will take at least 5 to 7 days. Do not spam it, it's fake, because it will take some time. 5 to 7 days. Before 5 days you will not get. Between 5 to 7 days you will get, and I guarantee you. And I am saying you this, if you do not get your Robux between 5 to 7 days, you will dislike this video. And if you get it, please give a like. So if you get some problem there, there will be a video for help. There will be a video for help. You will click that video and see how to do it. Okay, guys. I get the Robux. I have earned it in phone, but for withdrawing I took help from my friend, and he did it in laptop and withdraw. And after 5 days, 5 to 7, and between 5 to 7 days, I get it on the 5th day. Yeah, I got it on the 5th day. The 15 Robux. Actually, I got 15, and in the 15 Robux, I spent 10 Robux in my that cool shirt and pant. This one. So, guys, hope guys will like this video, and please hit the bell icon and subscribe and give a like. And I'm saying, if you do not get this Robux between 5 to 7 days, dislike this video. I am telling you, dislike this video. But if you get it, don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye.